Many people don't distinguish between HIV and AIDS, which is why I want to do this episode, just to give you a difference, to tell you the difference between HIV and AIDS. HIV is just a virus, a human immunodeficiency virus, and AIDS is an acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So when you have HIV and you don't go to test and you don't do medication, this virus accumulates in your body. And when it accumulates in your body, it starts to weaken your immune system. And when your immune system gets weakened, you get sick. You start to get sick from a lot of things because your immune system is now low. That means that your body is exposed to a lot of sicknesses. You can get malaria, you can get typhoid, you can get a lot of things, and they could all come at once. So when these diseases come and attack your body, they weaken you. You get to a point where your body is so thin, you get so weak. That's when you get what we call AIDS. AIDS is not like one disease. AIDS is a bunch of things that come and attack your body because your body is weak and your body has been weakened by the virus. But it doesn't have to come to that. Everyone that has the virus doesn't get AIDS, because when you have the virus, or when you go to the hospital and get tested and you find out that you have HIV, you enroll on the medication immediately. You start taking the medication, and now this medication helps you to weaken the virus so that it doesn't attack your immune system. So this medication gives you the power to fight against the virus. So the virus gets weakened, and then your immune system remains stable or even boosted, and then you live like a normal person. So every person that has HIV doesn't necessarily have to end up getting AIDS. For instance, I've lived with the virus for 25 years. I've never got AIDS, never. But some people mistake these two things. HIV is different from AIDS. HIV is just a virus, and AIDS is just something that comes from not taking the medication. So how do you prevent yourself from getting AIDS? Just immediately, right now as you see the video, or after you see the video, go to a medical facility, check yourself, have your blood tested, and when you discover that you have the virus, you enroll to the medication, because chances are that right now when you decide to go and test, chances are you're actually okay, you're not feeling sick. So chances are that your body is still functioning very well. So if you're discovered to have the virus, it is not so late for you. So everyone, to save themselves from getting AIDS, or to just be sure about their body health, they have to go to the facility and test. There is no sign. I hear people saying that when you have HIV, you get headache, you get this and this, but there is no sign for HIV. The only way you can find out whether you have HIV or not is by going to the medical facility and check. Have your blood tested, and then the medical worker can tell you that you either have HIV or you don't. And in the event that you discover to have HIV, it's not the end. You're just harboring a virus, and this virus is attacking your body. But should you start medication, you're given the power to fight against the virus. So I want to tell everyone that is watching the video today, go and test. It's important to go and test, because that's the only way for sure that you can get to know whether you have HIV or not. There is no sign. My name is Mark, and I'm a youth director for Hinton's Victory. Thank you so much.